Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Trust you're doing good. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends. We're talking about awareness and ignorance. Awareness and ignorance. There's a saying that what you know will save you or empower you, but what you don't know may harm you or destroy you or cause a major problem to you. When you know something, you know how better to handle it or you know how to take care of it. Let's assume that there's something negative. Okay, let's assume you are sick. Yeah, let's assume you're sick and you don't even know what is wrong with you. You don't know the nature of the sickness. You just try taking this and that. You take a lot of things. You take water. You take paracetamol. You take that, and you may not even get better because you don't know what exactly is wrong. It may not even be something that needs you to take drug. You may just need to exercise yourself and you'll be fine. But because you don't know, so you try a lot of things which may even cause more damage. Like you try different things, and in the process of trying different things, you cause more harm to your health. So that's why I said ignorance and awareness. I'll be advising us that if there's anything you don't know about and you feel there's a need for you to know about it to be of more benefit to your health or yourself or you whatever, don't hesitate to walk up to someone that you feel is in the field or someone that knows better than you do. So once you know what is wrong, you know how to attempt it. As a child of God, I'm a child of God, so I believe you're also a child of God. I know that as a child of God, you have to pray about everything and pray about anything. But there are some things that, in the passage, there's a passage in the Bible, I think that's Matthew, that talks about watch and pray. Like temptation related, sha. So, but when we consider that watch and pray in some other context, like when you are praying, also try to get yourself aware, like open your eyes and do what is needed. Yes, that's the word. As you pray, do what you need to do so that you balance everything. There's a person looking up to God for the fruit of the womb for quite a long time. And it's not as if anything is wrong with the person. Nothing is actually wrong. Like medically, the person is okay, but just one little issue that the person is having. But the person did not check. She keeps praying to God, she keeps doing this, she keeps doing that. But at the long run, I think she was advised to come for medical checkup. So they get to know that when she was a teenager, there was an implantation, like something was implanted to prevent her from getting pregnant. She did not know because she was not aware. She keeps growing up and she later gained freedom for herself. She married and she has been believing God for pregnancy. She has prayed, well, joined her to pray, not knowing that she's perfectly okay, praying ignorantly. On getting to the hospital, the doctor advised some tests, and during the diagnosis, it was discovered that the implantation was the hindrance to conception, and every other thing was okay. If she has not taken a step to check, like, and basically, medical checkup is one of the needed things. Like, it's a necessity. As a female that is trying to conceive, she should have gone for medical checkup, but she felt there's no need and she was praying, believing God. There's some things that you have to do. So when you are aware, when you know something, it saves you a lot of stress. It saves you a lot of damage. What I'm trying to say is that if there's anything you think you are not too knowledgeable about, or you're free to consult those that are in higher authority or those that are in the field, those that knows better, do not hesitate to speak up. Don't start using leg pain medication to cure headache. You understand? So when there is anything going on medically, physically, maritally, spiritual, whatever area, if there's anything that is wrong, don't assume. One of the slogans we use in my field is don't assume it, let us investigate it for you. You have to investigate, you have to know what exactly is going on, so that, because when you know, you know what to do. When you are aware of what is going on, when you are aware of the problem, you know the solution. Even if you don't know the solution, someone that will help you will actually ask that, okay, what is wrong with you? They will know what is wrong with you. They will know the solution to provide. But if you don't even know what is wrong, to provide solution will be very difficult. So in any case, in any area, always get yourself aware. Always know what is wrong, so that you can know how to tackle it. So if there's anything you've been, probably usually feel a pain in any part of the body, go to the hospital. Let them investigate, let them diagnose what is wrong, so that you know what to do. How I started, that what you know can save you and what you don't know can harm you. Then let me give another illustration of a patient that is having a pain in a particular part of the abdomen, and she started assuming a lot of things. She will pray in the water, she will drink it. There are some things that we do out of ignorance. You be like, oh, when I pray, it will go. It may go. You understand? Because God is faithful and is a great physician. But there are some things that you have to avoid to make things go permanently. I do tell some patients, like, okay, even if this thing is being treated, it does not tell you that it has gone permanently. There's some changes that are supposed to happen in your lifestyle, so that those things will not come up again. So as I was saying, the patient was having a particular pain, like having pain in a particular side, and she was fasting and praying just because of the sharp pain. After so much years of fasting, praying, and there was no improvement, so I think a friend advised that, and she obeyed, and getting to the hospital, they noticed that it was an ulcer pain, it was ulcer symptoms rather. So imagine that kind of ignorance. She was having ulcer and she kept on fasting and praying. You know how dangerous that can be. So what you don't know may cause more harm, and what you know can save you. So from the day she noticed that, okay, she's an ulcer patient, so she knows what to do. She may not even have to take some medication if she has discovered earlier. You understand? She just have to change some things, like adjust some lifestyles, and she'll be fine. So she was treated, and she was told some things to do and what not to do. So it's not a big deal to be ignorant, but it's a big deal when you remain ignorant. Like you don't know and you don't want to know, or you don't know and you assume you know. That can be very dangerous and harmful to yourself and people around you. So what I'm trying to say is that seek knowledge, always seek to know what you don't know, so that you can know how to attempt it or how to address it better. Thanks for joining us.